Everywhere you turn, there's nutrition messages. Eat this, not that. Yesterday, this was good for you. Today, it's not. Bread takes a beating when it comes to health claims. There's a common misunderstanding that bread is fattening, which it is definitely not. Eat too much bread and those excess calories can get stored as body fat, or eat higher calorie foods like butter, margarine, cheese, nut butters, or jam, and again, those excess calories can cause some weight gain. My suggestions when it comes to the bread debate is eat bread if you like it. Choose smaller slices, as most bread slices are equivalent to 2 servings. So, buy a smaller loaf of bread, or cut your slices in half, or make your own bread to control the ingredients and the portions. But in the end, it's your decision. If you don't want to eat bread, or you prefer to limit your intake, or if you'd rather have a slice of white bread once in a while, then that's okay. Get your fiber from other foods like oats, bran, fruits, and vegetables. Sweeteners are used in everything from baked goods to yogurts, pop, candy, and any foods or drinks that want lower calories but to keep the sweetness. Many of these type of sweeteners are added to gums, medications, yogurts, pop, candy, or products that promote diet or low sugar. They pack a ton of sweetness with few or no calories, which is why for years we commonly heard messages that promoted these no-calorie sweeteners in weight management programs and low-sugar diets. Number 1, Health Canada strictly regulates all the sweeteners that are used and sold in Canada. Based on the current scientific evidence, artificial sweeteners or no-calorie sweeteners are safe for consumption. Number 2, as with anything, moderation is key. Numerous studies confirm that artificial sweeteners are generally safe in limited quantities. And number 3, if you're drinking a lot of artificial sweetened drinks like diet pops, diet fruit drinks, or eating foods that use these sweeteners, maybe try cutting down or switch to real foods like water with a slice of fruit just to give it some flavor, or choose some natural yogurt and add your own fruit and toppings. Cutting carbs like bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, or fruit may help you with your weight, but the question is, do you think you can sustain no carbs over the long term? Rather than restrict, deprive, or obsess over the foods that we eat or shouldn't eat, I encourage everyone to build healthy relationships with food and with their bodies by eating foods that you enjoy, taking time to taste the food, and use food in a way of fueling your body to make it the best form of yourself, not a size or a number that society says you should be. Work with a registered dietitian or your healthcare professional to help individualize a plan that works for you and your goals. Nutrition continues to change, and unfortunately, we're all bombarded with myths from friends, family, social media, and even news media outlets.